Hello dear students, myself Professor Mishramkar Sunitra, Assistant Professor from Department of English, J18, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Maligaon. The topic of my presentation is The Model Millionaire, a short story written by Oscar Wilde, an Irish writer. Oscar Wilde. He was born on 16th October 1854. He was born at Dublin, Ireland. He died on 30th November 1900 at the age of 46. He died at Paris and he was buried at Père Lachaise Cemetery. By occupation, Oscar Wilde was author, poet, as well as playwright. He knew English, French, and Greek language. By birth, he was Irish. He belonged to the period of Victorian era. He tried his hands in writing epigram, drama, short story, as well as criticism. His notable works are The Picture of Dorian Gray and The Importance of Being Earnest. The Model Millionaire is a short story which appeared in June 1887. The story tells us about a young man who does not have much money himself, but he is moved to pity by the sight of an elderly beggar who is posing as a model for his artist friend. Although he can barely afford to do so, the young man gives the beggar the largest denomination coin that he has in his pocket. The young man's act of kindness has unexpected positive consequences for him. The characters in the story are Hughie Erskine, who is the hero of the story, Alan Trevor, Hughie's great friend and painter, Laura Merton, Hughie's girlfriend, Colonel Merton, Laura's father, the beggar, who is model millionaire, actually Baron Hausbach, and Mr. Gustav Nordling, Baron Hausbach's friend. Now let's focus on the story or the plot. The hero of the story is a young man named Hughie Erskine. He is handsome, charming, and popular, but he has been very unlucky as far as financial matters are concerned. He was left nothing of any great value in his father's will. He tried his hand at several different businesses, all of which have failed. Having no job, Hughie's only source of income is £200 a year, which is given to him by an elderly aunt. Hughie has fallen in love with a young woman named Laura Merton. She too loves him. Laura's father, Colonel Merton, is fond of Hughie, but due to his poor financial prospects, he does not want the young man to marry his daughter. He has often told Hughie that he will only allow him to get engaged to Laura after he has earned £10,000. One day, Hughie visited his friend named Alan Trevor, who was a painter. When Hughie came in, he found Trevor painting the finishing touches to a wonderful life-size picture of a beggarman. The beggar himself was standing on platform in a corner of the studio. He was a wizened old man with a face like wrinkled parchment and most piteous expressions. He was wearing a tattered brown cloak and boots which have been mended many times. He was carrying a rough walking stick in one hand, and in the other hand he was holding out an old hat as if to ask for money. His face was heavily wrinkled and his looks extremely sad. Both Alan and Huey agreed that the old man was an excellent subject for painting. However, Huey cannot help feeling pity and sorry for the man. He thinks it is unfair that, although Alan's painting regularly sell for 2,000 guineas, he only pays his models 1 shilling an hour to pose for him and does not give them a percentage of the money which he makes from sale of those portraits. When Alan leaves the room, he looks in his pocket. He finds that the highest denomination coin which he has was a sovereign. Although it meant that he would have to economize more than usual for the rest of the month, Huey gave the coin to the old man. The old man appeared to be very happy after receiving it. Huey left the room immediately. Afterwards, Huey and Alan met again. The artist told his friend that after he had left, the old man asked several questions about him. And Alan told Huey that the old man was eager to know about Huey. Alan Trevor told Huey that he had given all details about Huey and Laura. He told the old man about Laura Merton and the conditions which Colonel Merton had set before Huey. He was unhappy and he said to Alan that he told everything to the old beggar about his private life. It amused Alan and he told Huey that the old man he was painting was no one else but Baron Hausberg, one of the wealthiest men in Europe. The tattered clothes he was wearing were supplied by Alan. Huey feels ashamed about having given a coin to a millionaire, although Alan told him not to worry. The next morning, something strange happened. The representative of Baron Hausberg came to Huey's house with an envelope, and it contained a wedding present. Something was written on it. And what was written? From an old beggar. And inside the envelope, Huey found a check for £10,000. Huey and Laura got married, and Baron Hausberg attended that money. He got the check of £10,000 as a wedding gift from Baron Hausberg. On the day of the marriage, Alan Trevor was the best man, and Baron made a speech at the wedding breakfast. And at that time, Alan said, "Millionaire models are rare enough, but by Jove, model millionaires are rarer still." So, in the story, The Model Millionaire, Oscar Wilde has portrayed beautifully the theme of appearance, generosity, friendship, gratitude, love, compassion, charity, commitment, connection, struggle, and happiness. So, Here in this story, we find that his act of generosity leads towards his happy married life. Thank you.